Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you absolute beginners how to use OBS. And if you're looking to get into live streaming, whether it's on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and you want to use OBS streaming software, then you need to start somewhere. And I'm here to show you how to get a stream up and running from the absolute bare bones. Right, so we're in the main screen. This is what you'll be greeted by when you actually open up the software for the first time. Up the top, you've got File. There's different settings: Edit for filters, Transform, View. You can change the view. You can add different docs to this. So profiles, you can create different profiles for different people. If there's two of you using this, you can have a different profile for each one of you. Scene collections, you can create multiple streams, multiple scenes collections for different shows that you do. For instance, if you do a live chat show, you can have all the scenes set up for that, or you do a tutorial, you can have all the scenes set up for that. So tools, there's different tools there, and there's help if you need the help. But I'm here to help you get started with OBS, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure that you click the bell down below and press subscribe for more videos on OBS, live streaming, and lots of other stuff coming up very, very soon. Okay, so we're going to start by creating a scene. You have got a scene already in here. You can just simply rename that one or create a new one. Let's create a new one. We go down to the bottom plus there and press plus. This is scene number 2 theoretically, and I want to add my GoPro camera that I've got to the right hand side. So I'm going to call this scene GoPro. Is that how you spell GoPro? No, it's not, Alex. GoPro cam. So you've got the scene created for your GoPro cam. Then you have to go into sources within that scene to add the source. So in here we're going to have all the sources, audio, and the GoPro cam video capture. I've got my GoPro linked up to the computer by a HD60, so that captures the image from the GoPro. So I want to get that device onto OBS. So we're going to come down here and press add. Go to all these different sources. You can add loads of things you can do with OBS, but I just want for now a video capture device. Then we're going to call this GoPro and then press OK. It's going to pop up with the drop down menu here of the different cameras you've got connected, different devices, and I want to keep it on this one because that's my GoPro. This is the one I'm using here. Don't worry about the rest. You can mess about as you get more advanced with resolutions and frame type and color space and all that kind of thing, but we're just going to leave it. This is a GoPro cam. It's working perfectly. The great thing about the GoPro for live streaming is it does actually connect to the computer with a clean HDMI. It has no runtime limit, and it does actually capture audio if you haven't got an external audio device. The GoPro is a great option for live streaming. I did a video, I'll link it up here, of how to use your GoPro as a webcam. All about that, how to set it up. It's really easy. Go and check that one out if you want to know how to use a GoPro as a webcam. But we're in the main screen, so we've got this here. This is OBS now. We've got the video source, but we don't want to use a GoPro audio because it might not be to the quality that we want. So we're going to add an external audio device. I'm using the Blue Snowball, which is a cracking USB microphone if you're just starting live streaming. Great quality, only around 50 UK pounds. I'd fully recommend that if you're just getting into it. So we're going to add this. We're going to go into plus, add, and then we want to add a input, audio input capture. So we're going to press that. We'll call this, we'll call it mic, and then press OK, and then you're going to get the drop down menu to select the device you want to select. Select the microphone, which is a Blue Snowball, press OK, and then as you can see, it's the audio mixer picks up the audio from all the different devices. So we're going to mute the GoPro audio, which is this. We just press mute there and it stops the GoPro audio. That will drop down, and then we're using the microphone there for the audio. So this is a basic setup. This is camera, audio. You're ready to live stream more or less. If you want to get into more advanced things or loads of things you're going to do, for instance, we can come down here and we can add a image. Now, if you want to add an image, I'll add a background, so I'll just call it BG. We'll come to Browse, press Images. That's the one I was looking for, and we've just got a pretty background I've got off Google. And it is in there. What we're going to do is drag it to the full screen. Now we can see it's covered our camera, but if we go to sources, these sources are all layered on top of each other. So the source on the top of the list is going to be the source that's on the top of the picture, if you like. So just click where it says BG and drag it below the GoPro. Now we can't see that picture, but what we do is select GoPro, and we can resize our camera by just dragging like that to resize the camera. And we've got the camera over the top of the nice little background there. When you're happy with the layout and the look of your live stream, you can lock, right here, just lock all these scenes in place so they're not going to move. You're not going to press on them exactly. I can do that and it's not going to move. There's other things like I could add text to my stream. I'm going to say, welcome to my live stream. Just click OK, and then you can resize it to however you want it to be resized. We'll bring it down to about there, just below there. You can also add different filters to all these different sources, which is going a bit advanced, but we've got the basics. It's a very basic filter you can add to the text. So just double click. If you right click on the text in the sources, go click filters, and you can press a plus for the different effect filters you can add to this text. So we're going to add a scroll. We'll leave it a scroll name, and you can make the it move from left to right, and it's a nice little effect. Lock that layer, and then you've got text underneath of your picture as well. Just to finish off, over on the right hand side you've got your main controls of OBS. You can start streaming once you've added your encoder details into the software. You can start recording. You can also use OBS as a powerful recording tool. If you don't want to have a big monitor connected to your camera, just connect the camera to OBS and you can use it as a record monitor. I record a lot of my videos using just OBS because it allows me to add different scenes that just look seamless when you're recording a video. So I use it for just recording videos a lot of the time. We've got studio mode, which allows you to edit stuff while you're live and while you're recording. Settings there, and exit. So those are the basics of OBS. It's going to help you add an audio device, it's going to help you add a video device, and there's a few different things you can do there that I've shown you to get your stream up and running on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, whatever it is. So get experimenting, get out there, enjoy yourself, and stream, have fun with OBS Studios. Hope this helped. If there's anything else you want to know, any other videos you want me to make, comment down below. Any other questions, I'll try to answer them all. And stay tuned, make sure you do subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any uploads. Lots of videos coming up soon, like I said, on live streaming and other videos, vlogs. We do other stuff on this channel as well. So thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, take it easy.